The first thing here mainly is the Hostinger VPS dashboard. This is where you can manage everything related to your server. And here you'll notice your system resources usage. You'll see your CPU, your RAM, your disk usage, and then your traffic and bandwidth here as well. If you ever notice your CPU or your RAM staying maxed out over time, that's usually a sign you might need more resources for whatever you're running. Next, on the left-hand side, let's head over to backups and monitoring. Then click into snapshots and backups. And from here, you can manage your backup schedule. By default, it'll be set to weekly, but again, you can upgrade to daily auto backups if you want to. This will keep all of the information and settings on your VPS secure and backed up consistently. And if you want to create a snapshot, just scroll down and click on Create Snapshot here. And another helpful tool is Hostinger's Kodee AI assistant. You'll find that in the bottom right. If I click on Ask Kodee, it's going to open up the AI assistant here. If you ever run into something you're unsure about, like a command, an error message, or a configuration question, you can ask Kodee and it will guide you through common VPS tasks and troubleshooting. So after this video, if you ever run into any issues, this is one of the first places that you should check out. From here, you can also look into installing a control panel for your VPS or installing specific applications like Docker or N8N.